Garmin watches estimate calorie burn using several key factors, but these estimations aren't always accurate. Let's explore why this happens. First, heart rate data from the watch's optical sensors plays a major role in calculating calorie burn. Second, the type of activity you're doing, detected through accelerometers and GPS. Third, your personal profile information, including age, weight, height, gender, and fitness level. Finally, environmental factors like elevation changes. Despite these inputs, inaccuracies can occur for several reasons. First, algorithmic limitations in how the calculations are made. Second, sensor limitations, such as wrist-based heart rate monitoring being affected by fit or skin conditions. Third, user input errors like inaccurate profile setup. Fourth, activity misclassification, where the watch doesn't properly distinguish between different types of movement. As of February 2026, keep in mind that these calorie counts are estimations, not precise measurements. Garmin watches use proprietary formulas to estimate calorie burn. These are often based on established equations like the Mifflin-St. Jeor or Harris-Benedict models, which calculate energy expenditure using factors such as age, weight, and activity level. One key input is heart rate, measured by optical sensors on the wrist. However, factors like skin tone, tattoos, or a poor fit can interfere with readings, causing inaccurate data that affects calorie calculations. Your personal profile data is crucial for accurate calculations. If information like your weight, age, or fitness level is entered incorrectly, it can cause estimates to be off by as much as 20 to 30%. Garmin watches detect activities through motion sensors, but they sometimes misclassify movements. For example, everyday activities like fidgeting might be counted as exercise, leading to overestimated calorie burn. Understanding these fundamentals helps identify why inaccuracies occur. In the following sections, we'll explore specific ways to improve your Garmin watch's calorie tracking accuracy. Garmin's firmware updates, version 10.5 for models like the Fenix 7 and Epix, have introduced AI-driven refinements. These use machine learning to adapt to individual metabolic patterns, improving calorie tracking accuracy. The current state shows improved accuracy for many users, with reports indicating a 15 to 20% reduction in overestimation compared to pre-2024 models. Additionally, the Garmin Connect app version 4.8, released in January 2026, allows manual overrides and syncing with third-party nutrition apps for hybrid tracking. The first fix for inaccurate calorie counting on your Garmin watch is to calibrate your user profile. Start by ensuring your Garmin Connect profile has accurate information. Double-check details like your age, weight, height, gender, and activity level. Even small discrepancies in these profile fields can significantly impact calorie estimations. For example, an incorrect weight entry might lead to over- or underestimating your burn by hundreds of calories per day. Additionally, consider performing a calibration run where you complete a known distance at a steady pace, or simply enter accurate data regularly to help train the algorithm. This helps your watch learn your specific metabolic patterns. Garmin's auto-calibration feature automatically improves accuracy by using GPS and accelerometer data to adjust calorie estimates based on your actual movement patterns over time. Additionally, you can manually adjust settings in the Garmin Connect app for specific activities to improve tracking precision. For example, if you're weightlifting, select the weightlifting activity profile in the app to ensure your calorie estimates account for the specific demands of strength training. Combine your Garmin watch data with external tools like smart scales or food diaries for validation. Sync your Garmin Connect account with apps like MyFitnessPal for cross-verification. This will give you a more holistic view of your calorie intake and expenditure. Let's examine real-world case studies to understand how fixes work in practice. Many users reported overestimation of calories during workouts. They experienced success by updating firmware and recalibrating their devices. Triathletes found that Garmin watches can overcount calories due to high heart rate variability. Updating firmware and recalibrating with a known distance run reduced errors to under 10%. Remember that individual physiology plays a key role in how accurately your device tracks calories. Fitness wearables are moving towards greater personalization and integration. Trends show a shift to predictive algorithms that learn from user habits, reducing errors over time. Future models will incorporate skin temperature, sweat analysis, and ECG for more precise metabolic tracking. By 2030, experts predict 40 to 50% improvement in accuracy via advanced sensors and AI.